Hi friends, welcome back to A to Z English words. A for adapt. English meaning make fit. Tamil meaning பொருந்தச் செய். B for bulky. English meaning big in size. Tamil meaning பருத்த. C for capable. English meaning having ability to do. Tamil meaning திறமையுடைய. D for damp. English meaning moist. Tamil meaning ஈரமான. E for echo. English meaning repetition of sound by reflection. Tamil meaning எதிரொலி. F for futile. English meaning useless. Tamil meaning பயனற்ற. G for glossy. English meaning shining. Tamil meaning பளபளப்பான. H for hub. English meaning center. Tamil meaning மையம். I for inclined. English meaning bent. Tamil meaning சாய்ந்த. J for jaw. English meaning the bones of the mouth. Tamil meaning தாடை எலும்பு. K for kneel. English meaning rest on the knee. Tamil meaning மண்டியிடு. L for literacy. English meaning capacity to read and write. Tamil meaning எழுதவும் படிக்கவும் திறமையுள்ள. M for mild. English meaning gentle. Tamil meaning சாந்தமான. N for nap. English meaning a short sleep. Tamil meaning சிறு துயில். O for opulence. English meaning abundance. Tamil meaning செல்வ செழிப்பு. P for personal. English meaning belonging to a person. Tamil meaning தனி நபருக்குரிய. Q for quantity. English meaning amount. Tamil meaning அளவு. R for renovate. English meaning renew. Tamil meaning புதிதாக்கு. S for shortage. English meaning deficiency. Tamil meaning குறைவு. T for title. English meaning heading. Tamil meaning தலைப்பு. U for unfold. English meaning open. Tamil meaning வெளிப்படுத்து. V for vindictive. English meaning revengeful. Tamil meaning பழி வாங்குகிற. W for worn out. English meaning much injured. Tamil meaning தேய்ந்து போன. X for exaggerate. English meaning overstate. Tamil meaning மிகைப்பட கூறு. Y for repay. English meaning pay back. Tamil meaning திருப்பிக் கொடு. Z for citizen. English meaning an inhabitant of a city or country. Tamil meaning குடிமகன்.